guys, I just wanted to come on here really quickly and let you know this video was filmed right before all of this crazy coronavirus stuff kicked off, before we were summoned to shelter in place, before all the grocery stores were running out of toilet tissue and necessities and things like that. So I just wanted to come on here and just let you guys know you all are in my prayers. I hope everybody's doing their part in society by staying home and just keeping themselves safe, keeping your family members safe, and not putting yourself at risk or putting anyone else at risk by not being home at this time. So I just want to let you guys know we're gonna get through this together, and I will see you guys on the other side when this is all over. And let's just stay positive and, you know, enjoy our time at home.
Keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back, keep coming back. Of things we know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Candice. If you are returning, welcome back to my channel. I am using a brand new eyeshadow palette by Ditto Cosmetics. It is just so much fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and more importantly, share. Sharing does more for my channel than you could ever imagine. So please share this video if you enjoy it, if you learn anything from it, if you just want to support the channel in general. Share the video. So if you want to see how I created this eye look, then keep watching.
Spirit of things, we lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world. The things that fade away, yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back. Of things we know. We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight when we put our trust in things of this material world, of things that fade away. Yet we keep coming back, 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 keep coming back.
Oh my gosh, you guys. So I just realized my camera was not recording the sound. I didn't have my mic plugged all the way in. So what I was saying was I'm going to try to blend out above these shadows with some of these matte eyeshadows. So I'm going to go in with MAC's Electric Eel, and I'm also going to go in with a little bit of NYX eyeshadow in Electric Shock. Now I'm going to go in with my Benefit roller liner in the shade Black. I'm going to start on the end first. So now that the liner's on, I'm going to go ahead and dust away this powder ever so lightly. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Stay Naked the Fix powder in the shade 30NN, and I'm going to cinch my nose. For bronzer, I'm going to go in with my NYC bronzer in the shade Sunny, as well as my MAC by Aaliyah powder in the shade Baby Girl. I've hit pan on the NYC bronzer. Now we're gonna dust this nose powder away. For foundation powder, I'm going in with BH Cosmetics Pro Studio powder in the shade 230.
We lose ourselves in the spirit of things. We lose our sight.
I feel like I'm starting to look a little powdery. So when that happens, I'm gonna go in with my all-nighter pollution protection. Oh, see, my skin is looking so much better because I sprayed it. Thank goodness. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Kohl liner in Intense Black. And I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Electric Shock. Now I need to figure out what lashes I'm gonna put on. I've really been loving my Fame Lash by Kevin Wade. Hey Squirrel lashes. Like, I've literally been wearing these all week. These are like my favorite lashes. It's like they just look good with everything. Oh my gosh, like they can do no wrong. Because they give, like, you can tell I have something on, but they're not so bold that they are overshadowing the eye look itself. For glue, I'm going in with my Duo Lash Glue, but it's not a brush applicator because this is glue that dries in like 30 seconds. While I'm waiting on my lash to dry, I'm going to go in with my NYX Nutmeg Lip Liner. I'm gonna go in with my Dulce Candy palette. Enamorada, I think it's called. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with Fresa. I'm going to go in with my Lip Lift Max by Pixie in the shade Petal Ice. This is a lip plumper. This is what it looks like.
of things we know.
I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous. As a finishing touch, I'm gonna go in with my Liquid Fairy Lights by Pixie in the shade Crystalline. I'm gonna pop this on the corners here. For the highlight, I'm going to go in with my Pixie highlight in Subtle Sunrise. This is what it looks like. As you can see, I've hit pan. I love this little highlight. Alright you guys, so that is it for the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you guys in my next video.